In this lesson, we will take a look at how we can copy drawing objects. The copy command is located on the Home tab in the Modify panel. You can also type CO, then press Enter at your keyboard. After selecting the command, you will be prompted to select the objects you wish to copy. I'll begin by selecting the top view of my bolt head here, then press Enter to tell AutoCAD you are done selecting objects. Next, AutoCAD asks for a base point, so this is the point that I'm copying from. In this case, I'll choose the center of the bolt head. When placing copies, I have a couple of different choices. I can either use polar tracking and direct distance entry, or I can snap to other existing objects. Let's say I wanted another copy of this bolt head 4 inches to the left of the original. I'll lock into the 180-degree tracking angle, type 4, then press Enter. And as you can see, I've precisely placed a copy 4 inches to the left of the original. Notice that by default, the copy command is in the multiple option, which means I can continue to place more copies. I'm going to place the bolt heads at each of the intersections in the top view of this assembly. Once I'm done placing all of my copies, I'll simply press Escape. Let's see this process one more time. I choose the copy command, select the objects, then Enter. Select the base point. In this case, I'll choose the bottom center of the bolt head here. Then either type in a value or select another point to place it. And once more, we're in the multiple options, so I can place multiple copies at once. Then I'll escape to cancel the command. That concludes this look at the copy command in AutoCAD.